Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to install the packages to start your AR app. Now this is a blank 3D Core 2022. So we're going to go into our Windows Package Manager and we're going to click on this Packages and Project, Unity Registry, and we're going to type in AR. So we don't need all of this stuff, it all depends what you're trying to make. In our case, we 100% need AR Foundation, so let's install that. Now all of these do take a moment. So yes, we want to enable the backends, re-enable it, so yes. Alright, now that that's restarted, we can go back into our package manager and type in AR once more. So AR Foundation, check mark, perfect. Let's go do the Apple AR Kit. Let's install that. And finally, out of these ones, we just want the Google AR Core. So this is for any Android phone. All right, that's all our AR stuff. Now we just need the XR. We have to be a little cautious here. We do not want the interaction toolkit. We did use this for VR. There is some AR stuff in there. It's a little hit or miss. So all we want is this OpenXR plugin. So install that. And we should be good to go. My project's settings popped open, and that is our next step in the next video.